redirected the air intake to come over here off to the driver's side instead of the passenger side where it was just sitting on the fender. We built a little bracket to come off of the alternator main bracket to hold our intake solid so the air filter is out in the open where it can breathe. We replumbed our cooling system so the steam vent just dumps straight into the upper hose, and we've taken our little expansion bottle and repurposed it so it is just an expansion bottle, and we have no more recovery tank with the expansion tank. We just have only the expansion tank plumbed in a way to where it is just a large cavity of air to expand. We have also rearranged the routing for our AC hoses to keep them a little bit more out of the way instead of just being laying all on top of everything. And that's it. We got to give this car back to their customer for the moment, but this car's going out for paint, and then it's going to come back and we're going to get to do some more stuff to it.